Hi, Jason Rosenblum here with another IP Basics, and in this one we're going to talk about how you can protect the look of your product, and that's done with design patents. Under the statute, design patents protect new, original, and ornamental designs for an article of manufacture. And what that means is if you have something unique, a unique look to your product, it could potentially be protected by design patent. And because it's all about the look of the product, we're going to look at some examples of design patents that have registered by looking at what has been filed, the actual registration certificate, which is essentially illustrations of the design that the inventors are claiming. So here is one of the most famous office chairs around, the Herman Miller. Can't go into a law office without seeing them, as well as most other offices these days. But they filed to protect the design that they created for the chair. So it's not protecting the aesthetics here, it's actually protecting that look of the product. Now, for something like a chair, the interesting thing is this was filed back in, well, it registered in 1994, and I don't remember exactly then, but patents now are 14 years. So it had a 14-year term. So one of the downside to a design patent is that it does have a term which is 14 years, or now it's 15 years from the date of issuance. So this patent's already expired, which is probably why there's a lot of competitors out there with a similar design. But for the first 14 years, no one can copy them. Here is another example is Nike filed for the head of a putter. So you can see it protects what the shape and look of that putter head. Doesn't mean that someone else can't make a putter head, it just means they can't make one that's that exact shape. Nike also has for design of a shoe. Here's one that I think most people are going to know, but one of the iPhone versions. Apple won a very large case against Samsung, mostly based on design patent infringement a few years back, which I'm sure you heard about it in the news. So there's their design patent to protect that. In addition, they also had design patents that actually protected the graphical user interface, which, as you can see here, is one from 23andMe that they filed. I mean, this is a pretty basic graphic user interface, but sometimes you can even capture the motion that's on a graphical user interface as you go from screen to screen. And here's a pair of pants, fashion industry. A lot of times it's hard to protect fashion, the look of a dress, the look of a shirt. But design patent has been something that we've been starting to use and see a lot more filings in the fashion industry. I've filed some for handbags, for other pieces of jewelry. And here's one that Google filed for a camera, for a webcam. So that's just some examples of design patents. If you have a product that's, unique looking, even though maybe there's no other invention in there other than just the look of it, a design patent could be a really good option for you. So if that's the case and you have a unique product, speak to a lawyer, reach out to us. You can always contact us at 888-666-0062 or jhrlegal.com. Thanks for listening.